What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is Mike with Living with 3M. Got Legend in the background. I just finished up the video on adjusting the wife's headlights on the 2017 Explorer. So I got to thinking, mine's lifted, so I may want to show a video on how to adjust the headlights on a lifted truck. It may benefit you guys, so stick around. All right, fellas. So it's really simple. You just pop your hood and you go above the headlight. Look right there. It's very simple. It's not like the Explorer. The Explorers were recessed down in there. Let me see if you can actually see the gears down in it. Yeah, you can see the gears. So your Phillips head screwdriver will sit right there, click into the groove, and you turn counterclockwise or clockwise depending on which way you want to go with the beam, up or down. But I'll go ahead and tell you, just like I did on the last one, that I would adjust it on flat ground at dusk or dark with a white fence or garage door, something very even that you can use to measure. So that's the driver's side. You come over here and you're gonna see right there. I mean, it's got the actual factory opening there. It's the only thing in this area, so you can't really screw it up. But I would not start turning on these things until you're measured off. Let me take you over here. All right, this is my driveway. All right, see my white privacy fence in front of my boat right there. So what I'll do is just go across with painter's tape on the fence and have me a line that's perfectly measured with a ruler or tape measure. And that way when we pull the truck up here at dusk, you can say the driver's side you can raise or lower, and the passenger side you can raise or lower, depending, to keep people from flashing you. I know I've done a 7-inch lift on my truck and it was terrible. People flash, couldn't leave the neighborhood, and they would flash you thinking you had your lights on bright. So I lowered them about 20 clicks per side, and it brought it down a good bit, and I never get flashed now. So something to think about, guys. But we'll go back over here. Let you guys, one more time, I'll show you. It's right here, there it is. And that's a standard Phillips head screwdriver. You can make your adjustments. But I would count my clicks and wait till dark so you'll know exactly where you stand on level ground against a white fence. All right, fellas, that's gonna be it for the video today on the headlight adjustment. If you will, please hit the like, subscribe, comment, do it all for you, boy. I sure would appreciate it. And I'll keep pumping out these informational videos, mod videos, anything. Leave me a comment. You want to see a video of something you want done, we'll check it out, man. We'll try and make it happen. So get back with me. Catch you in the next video.